Every year, cryptocurrencies are getting more and more popular. Today, there are more than 2,000 coins. Still, buying crypto is very tricky, and most of the currencies are highly volatile. We've created USDX Wallet app that solves both problems, and now we need your help to spread the word about it. All you have to do is share your link. Each person you convert will earn you some easy money. We called it USDX Wallet Agents Program. In a nutshell, every person who signs up with your link will bring you 10% from all his or her future purchases. And for every sign-up your friends initiate, you can get up to 100% of their earnings. Not inspired yet? Let's see how fast you can grow your network. There are 1.7 billion unbanked around the world. USDX can solve their problem via fee-free online mobile transfers. We have a new user every minute, so you have to hurry up. Don't waste your time and let's get started. First, you have to download USDX Wallet app and create an account. Then go to the Agents Program screen and get your personal link. Now, all you have to do is to share this link on your website or using social media. Bloggers can promote on YouTube, streamers can promote on Twitch, or just send it directly to your friends and family via address book in the app. That's it. Just wait a bit and your easy money will come your way. Oh, we almost forgot. Your rewards are given in Bitcoin.